Yeah. Oh, bear with me as the energy levels are extremely low. I'm recovering from being sick. In today's video, you're going to see us go into Dublin and give our good friend Dan a hand with putting in his 2GZ into his E36 COMP CAR, and it was so much fun. But the original mission for that day was not exactly that. It was something else. And you're going to find out exactly what it is by the end of December. I'm excited about it, Roxana's excited about it, and I hope you guys are excited about it also. I don't want to spoil what it is, because I would like to make a nice grand reveal video. It's going to be very exciting, and a lot of opportunities are going to come our way because of it. So guys, please stay tuned. Don't miss out. I'm telling you, it'll be well worth it. Just stay along, bear with me until the end of the month. I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay to the end of the video and hope you guys enjoy it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Fucking alarm is going on. So, Brendan, knock it off, please. How's it feel being on YouTube? You've been in 2 videos now, and you're barely here like 2 weeks.
Yeah. I have that effect, you know.
He's been on YouTube loads of times.
He is on YouTube. I watched his videos.
I used to have a YouTube channel.
I know you do because I checked it out.
Yeah, also you fuckhead.
What?
Mine and Ben's tags are wrong in your video. You think I know what any of this is?
Put it this way, I've learned it quickly. These are so simple. 8, 10, 12, 14, 121.
I'm gonna kill him. He's a fucking wanker.
I might actually put that in the video, and if he watches that, it'll be funny. He's gonna be like, fuck off, Mick.
That's tight enough, isn't it?
What?
Careful, don't let it fall off the stand, man.
It's a stand, it's meant
Yeah, they don't. Heavy engine. I'm gonna fucking kill him.
Anyway. Hello and welcome back to another video.
Dan spends all of his money on baby oil.
For fuck's sake.
So
Fucking Diddy.
Dan, where's the plug?
what? Behind them doors.
Oh, it's bleeding battery not even fucking charged.
I know, I don't even think there's treads left in there.
Oh,
So you got the armwork right from this
oh,
one.
up there.
I've got degreaser.
Might work.
You're supposed to turn them counterclockwise to put them in, you know.
What?
You're supposed to turn them counterclockwise.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I remember my first time using the ratchet.
It's going in, but getting tight at some point.
Privilege now.
Switch it with another one and then put that one somewhere else.
No, this is the tread cleaner.
I'd love
Oh, man.
I have
What are you
done
gonna attach it to? Do you have a ratchet strap or?
Yeah. That's why I'm gonna put this on.
No!
Yeah.
No, we're not
Hook it
doing
on
that.
there.
Yeah.
No, we're putting the bolt in there.
Oh, yeah.
I am not pulling it off the fucking...
That's actually the turbo off.
Lifetime warranty.
on the fucking collector. On the
wall
rest
then.
of it.
Where'd that come
Yeah.
Measuring.
Were you suggesting lifting?
from? Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Why does it have numbers on it? So you know when it's out.
350Z! No, so we'll just put
There's
bolt in
10
here and do
degrees.
it off that.
So that needs to be
bolt.
there.
Yeah.
10 degrees.
Well, that's
I
on
trust
the wrong
bolts.
No.
You trust one bolt over
10 degrees.
multiple.
Yes.
I had exams.
That's my wall.
My brain doesn't need to work.
I don't want to fuck.
Lifetime
Not
warranty.
after.
Oh, sure.
Lefty, tighty, righty, loosey.
Who?
Oh shit. Then you beat them.
See, I don't want to crack the block.
You won't.
Don't look at me like that. Or him.
I've literally done it myself.
Yeah, I know, hence why I don't want to fucking do it now. 10 days.
You want me to do it?
It's not getting easier.
Just how tight that gets in. Just. Come here. Fuck me, Con.
Tight, is it?
A bit, yeah.
Yeah, hence correct block.
Nah, it's fine.
Cheap block. Expensive internal.
Hold this. Get on my way.
Where the fuck this come from?
I had him in my pocket. I need one.
Here's a great video at Basketball Night. Great video.
Great features.
The timing was impeccable.
For the grinder.
We should put this with an angle grinder.
It fucking worked, didn't it?
Stick with her. It's on the TV.
Why you want to clean all of them, is it?
No, they're all playing.
Oh, I showed her actually.
I don't think they're on speaker. Those try to. Hello. Yeah, good job.
Oh, so I thought that was the back of the camera because it has the screen. I thought you recorded yourself.
Oh, and two cameras. What? What's happening in the back?
Yeah, so you can see yourself recording.
Oh. Wow.
Nice.
Wait till my 360 comes. Oh.
All the way in.
Yeah, all the way in. We've got that
All
one.
the way in, yeah? You have that roughly. So, I bought it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, about 8 threads. What?
Where's the second bolt?
Here, calipers.
It's probably the
These are
head.
like
Like the teeth.
the fake teeth. Yeah.
Oh, you're
Fake
fucking
teeth.
smart, aren't
You'd
you?
actually be better putting it in.
Look at all that race fuel behind him.
1, 2,
Fancy.
3, 4.
Fancy.
With the grinder.
I've lost count.
Give me that.
Just count.
Dan needs colours with his counting.
I need pictures.
1, 2,
One
3,
I just have visual. I don't learn.
He's put track rods into a car before and I can tell.
7.
What? My car drives. No, not anymore.
I'm not talking about you.
Okay. Who put track rods in it?
8. I eyeballed my tracking on this car here and it's around
And
perfect.
then see how it fits.
Yeah.
See, the way you're grabbing them threads, I knew you.
I just go with the nails, grab one at a time.
Who's gonna catch the spark? Yeah, stand next to the phone, you idiot. What?
You moved. Your head.
Oh, it's fine.
You know where they came from.
Here, before I leave.
Fucking horrible angle.
You want to be a happy, isn't it?
Put it wherever you want, baby. Whoa!
Don't go too tight now.
Oh, I'll come back.
Doesn't line up.
Give me a ball. And
But you're not even remotely on the thing.
Oh, for fuck!
You don't have.
No swearing.
No swearing in these videos. These are kid-friendly videos. There's nothing else.
Rod. Better engine.
Mer bomba klart.
Is that just a stick?
Pretty much. Look at this engineering.
Oh yeah.
I wonder what colour the stuff in here is.
Water.
How much would you pay for the MX-5?
I don't know. I buy it for $7.50 in a pack of peanuts.
Yeah, that's
It's
full of
a
water.
911 turbo.
Oh yeah.
Well, the one thing that will be coming home to me is this nice billet aluminum oil.
Nice. Is that not like a hot air intake?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say
The
it
washer body's
melted.
protected.
Yeah.
You don't want hot water on your windscreen.
No.
Then again, that could be genius.
Actually.
That could be very smart.
Yeah.
Because there's actually a factory BMW option. Now, it was a very high fire risk, but in the 7 Series you get heated wipers and windshield washer jets. So if you put the car on, it would you'd see the bonnet would start to heat up around the washers, and then you use the wipers and it would.
The E38. There
7
was
Series, very nice.
there's a $7,000 option to have like a heater unit that retained the heat for up to like 24 hours. So when you turn on your car in the morning, it'd be hot air straight away. It's very, very, very expensive.
Ooh, that'd be very nice.
Yes.
Bet you it's a fire hazard now.
Probably doesn't work.
Yes.
Is that a ratchet strap?
Round radiator.
Is that a ratchet strap? Holding up the support beam.
No, that's the intercooler. It's holding up the intercooler.
What's holding up which
It is holding up the intercooler.
A ratchet strap. Completely held on with a ratchet strap.
Wow.
You know, it was owned by Fitzgerald.
That's impressive. Oh, it literally is. Here, I need that. Here, take a look.
And see if there's anything
I
in
think
it.
it'll just fall if we just... if we just take every single cap and thing off. Let's just start stripping for parts.
You can make it droopy eyes.
What is that?
That is rust in the cooling system. Now it's a 10 grand car.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Nice. It looks like it's really, it looks really sad.
It does. It looks,
So sad.
Also, if you put the camera right in the middle, you'll see that the reg plate is not in the middle.
That's right. Oh no.
What?
That.
That's safe enough.
What?
For this?
You'll see now in a minute. Just cover it. Jeez, that is 100% how that works.
Can't see anymore.
Alright.
She is in the air.
Houston, we have liftoff. They're fucking brand new.
Are they? Can you go up the crane? Go up the crane.
Oh yeah.
That's what me and Carl both said this. We did.
I was just spelling your ass.
Doesn't fit.
I can't remember.
Why does it sit so far?
The engine's too big.
Oh, mine.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're true.
Where do you want it?
Yeah, on the window there. Left. Yeah. Yeah, what time is it now?
Is it too big still, is it?
19.
It is, but it is going in. And I can do it by hand, so I can't be cross-threaded.
Yeah.
Is it going in?
Yeah, it's going in.
Oh, good.
What an
I need another bolt there.
Right, Dan, it's in.
Yeah, there's one here to put.
Let's come back out, but
You want to put that on in the back?
Oh shit, I'm losing now.
Bruh.
I'm window man.
That is a small angle.
Yeah! Fucking looks sick ass, doesn't it? Yeah, buddy!
turn it on.
Let's see the list in front of you.
That is that good. You get it out. Just noise that moves.
You used to work on cars, guys.
Oh. It's like them American YouTubers. They're like, "What's up, guys? Here's a easy first drift build. We got a 40 grand budget.
40 grand budget, yeah, just like that.
Yeah, build it in 3 days.
Perfect starter car for like 18-year-old drifters. You know, just trying to get in."
That does look good, that's a nice manifold.
You could make the video for you wanted a 10-second engine, not a 10-second car.
Oh yeah.
10-second engine.
Pop the hood.
Hey, we'll pop the hood. Oh man, you could have went much lower with this with the clearance. I went. Yeah.
Oh, that's sick, Cobber.
Fuck me.
Fuck me.
You're gonna have to cut a bit of a hole there, like.
It's kind of something you do.
You're making
but
progress. You're making progress. That's something.
The engine's in the car.
Has to come back out.
Not being in the car.
Why are we putting this in?
Test it, and I can do all my lines. All the fuel lines. Whoa, whoa, whoa! They're the wrong lines. All my fuel lines are there, but now they have to run to the engine.
Engine. Or would not be the fuel pressure regulator, no? Let's see that. Oh wow.
Inside wire. All my
Fair play.
All my fuel lines are in. My seats there.
Yeah. I mean, looks grand. So far. What ECU you run?
ECU master.
ECU master.
Yeah.
Nice.
Easiest.
What about wiring?
Parallel.
We can't really see
Well,
it.
the interior I'm done. I'm buying loom off a friend of mine.
Oh, handy.
Out of a 2-gen axis. With everything I'm running, so.
Handy. Yeah.
Might have to switch a few plugs over.
Yeah. Alright, okay.
So that's why I wanted to put this in.
Well, you have a very small list.
Now there's a lot of ticks on it,
What if I was
but
to
that's
just
just me buying shit.
Somehow the list gets longer now.
what if I was to cross off one?
Huh?
Like just cross one off. And some that you didn't do yet.
I
Like.
think there's less. There's stuff.
Some that you just didn't do yet.
I think there's stuff I have to untick.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you that bad?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Here, drop the crane. See what happens. Don't touch.
Oh!
Drop the crane, see what happens.
Well, no, I'm gonna have to go slowly because this will tip.
When it comes to the engine, it's perfectly
This is,
fine.
alright, this is loose.
Well, that's rocking, so.
What? Are you gonna say
He's
that?
rocking, don't come knocking.
Right, a couple of words of encouragement.
Never do this. This is the worst plan I've ever had in my life. But look at this.
It is cool.
I have to take it back out. But
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
At least now I know how to put it in.
At least it
But it's
fits.
not, it's just 4 bolts then. It's not rocket science. It does fit and it clears in the back and then you clear on the here.
Gearbox stuff.
Actually,
Easy.
and I wonder how he's
so
gonna
much
clear
room,
that.
it's not funny. Actually, no, I forgot I wasn't talking.
Yeah, I have a skinny steering shaft.
Yeah.
Not yet.
All right, sweet. Sweet.
A lot of room back there, in fairness.
There is a lot of room.
I'm lost for words. Maybe I just can't think about it because it's might have finished.
Yeah, because I just stuck you on the.
Yeah, this is. Stop clicking that.
What?
No, stop!
What?
What engine mount?
Oh, they're not tightened into the subframe.
What?
On the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no,
no.
they are. But they're
Engine congestion.
top
No, the top is.
Yeah, it's just rocking.
shoot!